大家好，欢迎你们到这里。Okay, today we are continuing our 900 sentence challenge. 900 Chinese sentence challenge. As we already done 1 to 55, today we are continuing with on sentence 56. Okay, before that, let's just repeat 55 again. So it goes like this. 怎么和你联系？怎么和你联系？ How with you contact? That is how may I reach you? How may I contact you? So, 你的电话号码是多少？56. 你的电话号码是多少？Your phone number, your telephone number is how many? So what is your phone number? 57. 你有电子邮箱吗？你有电子邮箱吗？ Which means you have email. So 电子邮箱 is what? Email. So 你有电子邮箱吗？ Do you have email? Then 58. 时间不早了。时间不早了 which means it's getting late. 时间 is time. 不早 is early. So 不早 not early. So the time is not early. It's no more early. So it's trying to say it's getting late. 59. 我们该走了。我们该走了 which means we should be going. That is better we'll go. Will be better go or better be going. 我们该走了 you should be going. Then 60. 还早呢还早呢 Remember I said up is 早 is what early. So that means what is still early. How? Thank you for today. 谢谢大家，再见。谢谢大家，再见。